step into the GMC 2020 Yukon XL Denali. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: engine 6.2L Ecotec 3 V8 with active fuel management, direct injection and variable valve timing, includes aluminum block construction, 420 horsepower, 313 kilowatts at 5600 RPMs, 460 pounds-ft of torque, 624 Nm at 4100 RPMs, STD, wheels 20-inch x 9 inches, 50.8 cm x 22.9 cm, bright machine aluminum, STD, Quicksilver metallic, tires P275/55 all-season black wall, STD, Cocoa shale perforated leather appointed seat trim, interior color has lighter